Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be welding up this core support, making sure everything fits good. Yeah, let's get to work. Alright guys, so got the bumper headlights all in there. It's looking pretty good. Gaps are not final though. This is just a mock-up just to see, you know, make sure things are pretty close. With these aftermarket parts, there's always things you gotta mess around with. They never fit perfectly, things you gotta mock up, so it's like, but yeah, for the most part, it's looking good. I just wanted to get it all put together, so it's close. Now we'll take it all apart and weld up that core support, and this way we know that things are good to go. Tear all this apart and start welding. Then also this came in. Whoop, dropped it. Before I forget, I'll just unbolt it. Look at this guy. It's a guy in a parachute with one of those like propellers on the back. All right, but we gotta work. So we need this little gasket. Now we're just gonna put. Yeah, if you guys remember, this was busted, so I replaced this one. Replace that one. All we got left here is just fix this plug. We got a couple welds down here. Now we got the core support. Couple welds here, one weld there. I'll still fix this. Don't think I'm gonna leave it like that. It's just it's not in the way of anything really. I'll just straighten that out here after I weld in this core support. Do some measurements one last time just to make sure nothing moves. Now I'm going to use this brushless seamer, brushable seam sealer, and just hit all the welds just for so water doesn't get in there and doesn't start rusting. So I'm just going to hit up all the welds with this. I'm going to be using a little acid brush to apply it, so here it goes. Okay guys, so we did get the core support welded, got the welds grinded off. So we're about to go to the paint store, pick up some paint, and paint this core support. Let's go. Yeah, so what I'm painting is bumper hood, fender. And then I just need to jam in, cut the core support a little bit. You got a Sharpie or something I can...
What happened? What? We thought we're gonna get the paint today, huh?
Yep, they got a bunch of paint matches in line, and it's I think it's like about an hour before they close, and
4:30.
3 other paint matches to do. So we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So we're gonna go back, prep the core support for paint, get the paint, and paint it tomorrow.
Do you want food?
So let's go. You want to stop ready? Yo, I just found the truck.
I got it on video too.
Too excited.
Got some burgers.
Burger. All right, guys, so we are at the paint booth. The car's all prepped, ready for paint. We just showed up, trying to get everything situated here. Got our stands. So what we're painting is, we need to paint the hood, the fender, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirt, and then blend the door. So it was raining on the way here, so we're just drying off everything, getting everything prepped, and hopefully here in a little bit, we're gonna start painting. So stay tuned. All right, guys, the car is painted. Looks good. We're gonna let the car sit here overnight so the clear can dry, because we don't want to drive it out. It's raining outside. So we're gonna let the car sit here overnight. We're gonna come pick it up tomorrow and show you in depth of how it turned out. And we're gonna start putting this thing together. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna be putting this car together. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.